Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to optimize location targeting for Google Ads. So if you running Google Ads for service-based business like cleaning, plumbing or something like that, so this video only for you. Okay, so let's go to my screen and I will share everything. So I enter my Google Ads account, then select a campaign. Then here is a left side option like campaign, and here is another option when and where ad showed. So I click here, and here you can see here is a uh, option like device when it shows and where it showed and mass location. Okay, so I click here masked location. Okay, and so okay, so my location is, I mean country is Canada. Okay, so city is the broad, okay, but when you optimize like a narrow location like your postal code, then this is a very good optimization for your campaign. So I click here Canada and narrow by like postal code. Click here. Okay, so here you can see here is a many postal code under Canada. Okay, so this postal code I get 4600 click and 292 conversion. Okay, it's fine. And then zero. See that postal code? This postal code I get 22 clicks and my cost is $87 but zero conversion. So this postal code totally wasted my budget. $87 totally wasted. So I just simply click this postal code and go to it and exclude this postal code. Okay, so 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 when we optimize our campaign, uh, I mean location targeting optimization, then we see every our every postal code. So this is another postal code. Click and here is the cost but no conversion. So I just select those postal code and exclude them. Okay, so this is actually good practice for our campaign. So you must try this postal code location targeting optimization for your campaign. One conversion, zero conversion. Okay, so this is a formula, and here is a many option. Territories, countries, and cities, postal code, local areas. So you you when you optimize this section, then you save your money. Okay, so today topic is done. Thank you so much.